Hello everyone. If you want to transfer your all post in to very easily to another website, so how you can do this? So you have to if you have two website and have lots of posts, then the video is for you. Okay, so like this, you see there is a 10 post. So I want to transfer all post this domain to my another domain website. Um, what I need to do? So first I have to go to their tools. This is the main site. Tools to export options. So next, you have to select what you want to transfer or export. Then you have to click here at post. I want to export all posts, so I have a click here post. You can also export your exact category, but I did it like but I did it like it, but I did it like it all post, then all others started. It is will be default. So just selected the post, then go to the download export file. Okay, my God, the internet may be doing problem. Okay, no problem. I just exported all the files some minutes ago. So right now I have to go to another domain. So I am right now in another domain. So I have to go to again in the my next website tools. Have to go to import. Then I am here import. Maybe my internet working problem. So right now you have to come here tools in the import. Then you have to install the WordPress plugins there for the import post pages, etc. So then you have to click here run importer. Then we have to wait sometimes. Okay, now we was download a export file for all posts. That we have to import now this file. So I have to click there export, then click here upload file and import. Now all the posts will be imported in my another domain. Then select here admin, then download and import attachments, check mark this and click here submit. Oh my God! Right now they're all done, but uh, some articles not working. Okay, let's see how it's work or not. Okay, so go to the post to all post. Yeah, all post is transferred successfully. Thank you so much. This is the way how can you transfer all posts to your one website to another website. Thank you so much.